Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing the MRI geometry and aligning everything to scanner ISO center so measurements match reality. Set scene units and scale to millimeters and make sure coil and bore meshes have consistent transforms. Assign simple materials: metal for gradient housing, plastic for coils, glass for display windows, to speed iteration. Once done, lock transforms and place markers for animation rigs. This step reduces downstream cleanup and prevents jitter when you animate sequences and camera moves. Now you animate the core systems and time their interactions so the sequence reads clearly. First, rig the table, coil lifts, and any gantry rotation, keyframe smooth ease-ins and realistic acceleration. Then add physiological micro-motions, like breathing, to sell the scan without overtaking the shot. Layer camera cuts and dolly paths to reveal details. Adjust depth of field so viewers focus on key components. Make sure animation timing matches the narrated script, and that movements don't intersect geometry unexpectedly. Finish by batching render passes and compositing them for clarity and control. Export beauty, ambient occlusion, depth, masks, and motion vectors so you can refine edges and add scan overlays like K-space visuals and gradient waveforms. In composite, tweak color, add subtle noise and bloom to emulate scanner displays, and time overlays to match animation cues. Finally, render a low-res proof and do a quality check. If you see ghosting or banding, increase sample count or enable denoising for those passes before final output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.